Hell yeah, good morning. We're getting ready to roll out here in a little bit. Go to North Carolina to see some good people. Some fucking Americans. Yeah. So what in the hell is going on in Wyoming? Right, it's on fire. And I don't know if you know this, but there is a company that is going to invest $456 million into a huge development in a Wyoming rare deposit, earth deposit, okay? Okay, and that just happens to be in the place where the fire is. Coincidence. Lightning strikes, right? Much like dams breaking, hurricanes come over the deal. Total speculation now, because you know it's the truth, right? It says in February of this year now, American Rare Mineral Company, Mining Exploration Company, found over 60% more than previously thought, right? The deposit is so large, right? It's John Holmes style, folks, that it would make Wyoming the world leader in rare earth minerals, far surpassing China, which is currently got a lock on the market. Now, what we've seen in North Carolina is North Carolina company, I can't call the name again, damn dog, has a lithium deposit, right? It just so happens that in the area of the lithium deposit, there's been a national disaster, okay? And in Wyoming, there is this place, and get this, they've had a hard time getting the funding for this, okay? Let's follow the money now. So, the company that is doing this is called America Rare Earths, all right? And they have a subsidiary called WRI. And what WRI is it's Wyoming Rare Incorporated. All right, so we got America Rare Earth that now has got its subsidiary. They passed the whole project on to Wyoming Rare Incorporated. Now here's the fucking kicker. Who owns Wyoming Rare Incorporated? Well, it turns out that the same people that made the subsidiary, American Rare Earths, that owns Wyoming Rare Incorporated, just happens to be ARR, okay? American Rare Earths Ltd. Do you know that they're not even traded on the United States market? Because they're not a United States company. They're fucking Australians, right? It says right here that Wyoming Rare Incorporated remains 100% owned subsidiary of American Rare Earths and trades publicly on an Australian exchange, security exchange under the ticker AAR. They're not even a fucking American company. What in the fuck are they doing over here mining our shit? That is just like the WSP deal out in North Carolina and Florida. This Canadian company is coming in along with Vanguard to do home inspections. Why in the fuck is a Canadian company doing it? Because it's a new world order. All these motherfuckers have gotten together, right, to create this. And this is speculation, right? This is just how I feel. Y'all can, do whatever. Y'all can go get you a 2-dick goat, whatever. Or you can go see my homeboy at Southeast Industrial Construction, Kenny. Whatever you want to do. But I'm just telling you, this shit stinks foul. And that part of the country's on fire. There's over 900 people over there fighting that fire. 76,000 acres of prime uranium land. Driving everybody out, right? For sure. Something to think about as the world turns. Fluid fucking English.